So hello guys, I'm Phosphor Gamer here. Last time when I was making my video about a multi-vending machine, it wasn't the full video. I'm really sorry because when I was converting the video, it took off the time. I'm really sorry about that. So I'm just gonna make it again and show you. I was making this one and it didn't work out really well. So I'll show you how to make it again. So what you need to do is break one block here, 2 blocks. Then you go 3 blocks this way, 1, 2, 3. Come back to the middle, 1, 2, 3. That's how you do it. And you go 1 block deep, 1 block deep, 1 block deep. And you just leave this 1 block like that. That was it. Must be something like this. Let me just check once. Yeah, it might be something like that. Yeah, something like that. No, you need to do this. It must be like this. This is how it must be. 3 blocks here, 3 blocks there, 3 blocks here. So what you need to do is pretty simple. Make a wall. You take stone and make a wall. No, you have to make a wall. If you want just 1 block wall for now. Cause we're gonna put some ice. Yeah, so we just put some ice. Really guys, and oh sorry, separate things. So what you need is a dispenser. Get a dispenser and put it here. Dispenser, put it here. Dispenser, put it here. Dispenser, put it here. So maybe 4 dispensers, leaving 1 block each. So you need a different block or iron. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So you can know this one's here. So what you do is now let's just make a cool wall. Make a cool wall, cool wall. Cool. Wall is like a normal wall. So one sec guys, let me drink a night version potion. It's getting night. I won't sleep. So yeah. Now what do you need? Oh yeah, sorry guys, I need to put ice here. Ice here. So now what you need to do is take stone, whatever block you want, put it here, 2 blocks, over the dispenser 1, 2 blocks, 2 blocks. So now what you need is just a few things. You need redstone, you need repeater, like 20 repeaters I think, and we can work out with this. Let me check. Yep. So what you need to do is the repeater, redstone, repeater, redstone. Now what you need to do is take your repeater, place it this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3 repeaters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, sorry. 1. Okay. So yeah, this is what you need to do. 3 orange, like something like this. Right. So now what you need to do? 1 sec. Okay, so now what you need to do is, it's pretty simple. Okay, what you need is a sticky piston, not a normal piston, a sticky piston, and stone, or whatever is stone. And you put the stone here, put your stone here. So then where you put the piston, put repeater increasing here. 4 repeaters still here. And that's pretty much it. And what you need to do now is, these all you see these repeaters. Okay, you know what? First let me break these repeaters. Let's forget about those. See these 3? What you need to do is go like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Leave the last one. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Leave the last one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So just leave the last one. Now you put it facing first here. And here also you do 1, 2, 3, all of them. And this one only, the middle one, the piston is, you will do all of it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now what you need to do is make a redstone wall, and like fix the wall. But don't do that. This side is normal. So where you're standing, like this is the middle part, in the middle. You see here, break this block 1, and go here 1, 2. Again, just go like 1, stop mining 1, 1, 2, 3, up 3. So it must be like this, like a stair, like And the stage should start from here in the middle. If you do it from there, you might get, you will get it wrong. I did that once, I got it wrong. Start from there, go 1, 2, 3. So then you need to go 8 blocks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. And blood 1, 2. There you are. There you the hole you left. And no, yeah, so wait, let me block this. If you go 8 blocks and you take white, not right, then go 2 blocks straight, 2 blocks like that. And you go up, put a stick piston facing upwards. You cannot go inside now. So go back in here. And now what you do is take redstone. Oh, put a stone now. Or any block, yeah, stone. Any block you like. Put redstone. Then 4 repeaters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then redstone connecting to the wall. So it connects to the wall, and it's called so. So let's respectfully fill it up with ice. The one you did. So I fill it up with ice. There you go. After that, now we can all go in there. As you can see, you go down, you just stuck it. Go like the opposite, not you break it. Go. But you need to pour water here. So when you break it, the water will pour all over and destroy your circuit. So we won't put water now. All we need to do is put something. Like, let's make a flower shop or something. Flower shops, mushrooms and flowers. Let's get a picture frame for ourselves. Put picture frame here, if you like. Put a non-mushroom. No, I don't like mushroom first. I would like flower, I would like rose, I would like mushroom, I would like mushroom, the red mushroom. And you put in the same order. Like flowers here, you put them in this dispenser. Put it in this dispenser, all these flowers. And this one, what do we have here? Rose. Rose here. Then down here we have the brown one and the wet mushroom. So you go down here, put the brown mushroom here. Oh wait, what was it? I forgot. Sorry. Yeah, brown mushroom there. No, sorry. Brown mushroom here and the red mushroom here. So that's pretty much it. Not pretty much it. What you need is a water bucket. So there you go. Water bucket. Start from the corner. Crouch. And you know, speed more better. Do from here. It flows really in there. And crouch and put it in this end. It'll be something like this. Yep, imagine something like this. And you are pretty much done. Yeah, as I was saying, if you go down, if you break the thing, will destroy the whole circuit, so don't break it. Don't even think to break it. So now what you need is, it's like almost the end, what you need is buttons. Put a button here, here, and here. So click on it, you will get it. Oh, I think it's something else. You get it. So you get the flower eventually. I think I did something wrong. I think I did 1, 2, 3. I think you need to do this for 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All of these 1, 2, 3. You need to delay it, I guess. So that thing comes up first, and that is right there. Yep, it worked. So yeah, what I forgot was, be careful. You need to put these all in three sticks. Don't forget that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It works this time. I hope when I compress the video, it will be a normal video. Because there are many problems I heard. Not heard, but as I uploaded the video, it happened. Because when I was previewing my video, it was like 10-12 minutes video. Now I just did it really quick because one of my friends watched this video and he told me to do it quick. So that it can't, it's like a comment. So he told me just make a quick video. Just a quick video. So I just made this really quick in like 10 minutes. So I'm really thankful for watching. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more, please. Because if you subscribe me, I'll get money. Then I can post and I'll get a better equipment and post in good resolution. Thank you for watching. Bye. 5. Thank you very much.